Good afternoon. This is Craig Medeiros, and today I'm at 872 Portola in Floresta Gardens. Floresta Gardens is in San Leandro. It's a very nice, quiet neighborhood. Not much traffic, plenty of street parking, secluded. It's very desirable. And this is an entry-level house, but this is rarely found in Floresta Gardens because it's 1,800 plus square feet, and it's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's nicely landscaped. 2-car garage, and it's got a lot of space. Let's go inside and take a look. It has real hardwood floors, and they're done right. Newly refinished. The whole place is freshly painted, and as you can hear, it's got a very strong screen door. New curtains. The kitchen is through there, and the bedrooms are through there. So let's go into the kitchen, living room first. This is an open room. Real fireplace. The cooking vent is in the ceiling. It's old-fashioned, but it works very well. It's powerful. Refrigerator in the corner. This is a tile for hot pans. Wood cabinets. Granite countertop. Very large sink. The garbage disposal is under this one, and that would fit a full pan. The drawers open easily. Cabinets open easily. They're nicely finished. There's more cabinet space over here. And there's a game room. With access to the outside. So as I said, the owners lived here for about 20 years, maintained it very well, and the current owners are their children, who have done a lot of work on it. So as I said, this is one of the bedrooms. It's a good-sized bedroom, larger than what you find in many modern homes. And it's got cedar flooring and some cedar walls. I think it needs brighter lights. Here's an entry hall closet. Downstairs bathroom. Tub, cultured marble, full bathroom. This is the downstairs guest bathroom, and that was bedroom 1 where we just came from. It has forced air heating, no cooling. This is bedroom 2, once again, good sized. Looks out into the backyard, or side yard. This is the closet area with drawers down below and more cabinet space above. There's a big bedroom upstairs, and we will get to that. The 2-car garage is here off this hallway, and the door is self-closing but has a lock feature to keep it open, which is convenient. And we will take a look at that later. So this is a larger bedroom. Once again, windows on 2 sides this time, but once again it looks back into the side yard. And this has its own bathroom. This bathroom is tiled. It looks like a linoleum floor with a pattern. Shower. Separate switch for the exhaust fan. Makeup counter. Extra storage. And a vent window. So the hardwood floors are really nice because they've just been refinished. And once again, there's a certain amount of cedar wood in here, which smells nice, and lots of storage space. So let's go to the 4th bedroom. This one is upstairs. It has 2 windows and a nice view of the foothills. And the landscaped trees. It has its own half bath. Nicely done. Lots of light in there. And a big closet area, which could be, well, be divided and have even more space, more for hanging clothes. And it's a cedar wood floor. That door is a vent into is access to attic space. This is a huge room. So we're going down. And to our left, we saw the large bedroom with its own full bathroom. And we have the bedrooms 1 and 2, which are the smaller bedrooms with a full bathroom. Let's take a look at the garage. 2 small steps down. Laundry basin under the stairs. Washer, dryer, and it looks like it's an electric dryer with a 220-volt outlet, and the dryer vents to the outside. This is a finished garage, and it has storage for empty suitcases up above, and a lot of built-in storage and a workbench. Under-house access from the garage. A garage door and a security door. This takes us outside. That's the street direction. The fence is nicely painted. This side of the house is nicely landscaped. There's a storage shed for tools, and it looks like it's on a concrete slab. And has a workbench with 4 drawers. Here's a nice jade plant, bird of paradise, a bench and a patio. And the other side of the house with its own gate. There's not much noise, it's a very quiet area. Cute gate. Back to the garage. The washers and dryers stay. It's got an electric garage door opener, of course. So 4 bedrooms, large bedroom with its own tiled bathroom and shower. Huge upstairs bedroom with a half bath and a walk-in closet. Bedroom 2, full bath. Bedroom 1, and what's this closet? Looks like it's in good shape. This is the forced air furnace. New drapes. They're putting a new roof on, so that won't be a worry. And here's the kitchen, dining room, living room, and pool room, although I call it a playroom. Walking out, it's a big picture window, heavy door, well made. So thanks for watching today.